Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Hydro Blue. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot and cross path detection, 21-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, heated second row seating, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6940.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.